Well, this is going to be the last time that you see those wheels on that car. Just around the corner from Jax at Bowen Hills. So I'm going to head over and see Paul. Let's see those wheels that he's got for us. Down at Jax Bowen Hills. We've got Paul that sorted me out with some wheels. He's got these 20s for me, here they are. I'm just gonna open up. I said to Paul that I wanted a silver wheel. I wanted a 20, which it fits a budget and it looks freaking awesome. Can't wait to get it on. Well, there it is, guys. Wheels are on. Not bad.